If you take a look at the solutions as they've been used for the last 20 years, is typically based on storage replication. So that means I've got a storage device, I buy a second storage device, same brand, same type, maybe even the same exact configuration, maybe even buy a replication license and start replication. So as technology moves higher and higher, we're not really looking at storage anymore, but now looking at virtual machines, virtual hardware, and everything is moving up the stack. We decided to move that replication up the stack as well because it's closer to the actual source, allowing you to be more flexible and also allowing you to be not dependent anymore on those types of technology. And because we are in that layer and we made it something universal, we can now use that technology to move it between not only different types of storage devices, but also different types of hypervisor technologies or different types of cloud technology, whether it's public cloud, private cloud, or maybe managed service providers that you are using right now. So basically it frees you from everything you're locked in using the traditional way. One of the biggest differences between synchronous replication and Zerto is that, first of all, Zerto is using asynchronous replication or near synchronous. So that means that we lag behind a few seconds. Synchronous replication means if it happens on this side, it also happens on the other side. Asynchronous replication, of course, replicates the same thing, but what we add is journaling technology. And journaling technology allows you to not only go back to the last point in time from a few seconds ago, but also allows you to go back in time with seconds granularity. So let's say you have a ransomware attack with synchronous replication, it will be automatically on the other side as well. Encryption here, encryption there. And with the fast processors we have in service right now, encryption happens really fast. So what we allow you to do is actually rewind specific VMs or specific applications or entire data centers to a few seconds before you actually had that ransomware attack. With traditional synchronous replication, you either return to snapshots, which because of capacity or performance impact or even related to budget impact, because either way snapshots cost something, whether it's performance capacity or just money. You're not taking it every few seconds, you're taking it every few hours. And every few hours means data loss, maybe even hours of data loss. And hours doesn't seem much, but I type pretty fast, but typically someone that had like a typing course does about 40 characters in 10 seconds. So multiply that by the amount of data entry workers you have, and you have a lot of data loss. And it's even hard for me to remember how much data I've lost or that I've generated in the last couple of hours. Let's multiply that by 100, 200 employees, makes it even harder. So we actually allow you to rewind to a few seconds before the incident, so only a few seconds data loss.